to be looking at the family of alkenes, alkynes, they call these particular name all different kinds, right? So it's basically ALK, then this is YNES, right? Now, what is the significance about this? Now, basically, these alkenes means now the functional group. Its functional group is going to be what? Now, this one is consist of 3 bonds, right? Now, this is going to consist of 3 bonds in here, right? Now, which means now it's not single, nor is it double, but it consists of triple bond within it, right? So now this one is going to consist of what? Of triple. It's going to consist of triple bond, right? So which means now the only hydrogen that you are going to find here is going to be only outside there, but in here consists of what? Here, these are this is the significance of what? Of the functional group, right? This is the significance of the functional group. And now, what else can we identify from this particular family of alkenes? Is that now from this particular family here, it consists of what? It consists of your suffix, right? It consists of the suffix, which is what? Consists of a suffix which is basically going to be YNE, right? So basically that is going to be the suffix of this particular name, right? And now we are saying also it consists of the general, your general formula, this, which is what? Which is going to be given by CN, which is also H2, and this, I think this is subtract 2, right? Yes, I think that is going to be the one. So basically now this is going to be the general formula of what? Of your alkene, right? Now, I know probably most of you are wondering in terms of how do we use or how do we apply this particular thinking, right? Or this particular general formula. Now, for example, let's say now, again, I give you now your ethene, right? It's ethyne, ethene. Look at me writing an N again. Now, this is ethene, right? Now, which means firstly, it's going to be 2 carbons. This is going to be 1 carbon, 2 carbon, right? Now, then this is going to be how many bonds? 1, 2, 3, right? And how many here? This is going to be 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen in here, right? So basically now that is going to be your what? This is going to be your ethene, right? So this is going to be the thinking of ethene, right? Now, what is it that we can determine from here? Now, from here, if let's say we come back to this general formula of ours, what is going to be the significance of this? Now, how many carbons are you having? This is going to be C2H2 multiplied by what is the N? And now this is going to be still 2 now, but this is going to be 2 subtract what? 2 subtract 2, and which means this is same as your C2 and H what? And also because 2 times 2 is 4, subtract 2, this is 2. And now if you can come back and check, look, you are having 1, this is 1, this is 2, what? Hydrogen, which indeed qualifies the hydrogen, and you are having what? You are having 2 carbons, which is going to be this one, which is going to be 1 here and 2 here, right? So basically you're also having your 2 carbons, right? So basically that is the use of these particular general general formula of ours, right?